if you recall, I was really excited because I ordered my Krosmki Harp Forte rigid heddle loom, and it came, and I thought it might be fun to go ahead and unbox it and then share the video. So here we go. I did order more than just the loom as well, and I'm sure that Marshmallow Kitty will join us. So let's see. Here's the bag. So I did order a bag because I thought it's probably a good idea to go ahead and get a bag to store everything in. So let's pop that open. Oh yeah. And that is that lovely bag, just like I have for my Krosmki Sonata. So this is for the loom. And if you'll notice, yes, I did order the large one because I can always weave smaller width pieces on a larger loom, but you can't weave wider width pieces on a smaller loom. So I went for the big one. And let's see, here's my extra stick shuttle. So I ordered an extra 32-inch stick shuttle and a couple of 24-inch stick shuttles. And then I also ordered 2 more rigid heddles. I ordered the 10 dent and the 12 dent because it comes with an 8. And it does come with one stick. So, and then this, I think, should be my loom stand pieces. And I have to pause the video and go grab something to cut that with. And then here is my loom. So, yep, kind of excited. All right, I'm gonna pause this and grab something to cut. Okay, so I went ahead and got something sharp and sliced the tape on both of these items. So this is my loom stand. This is the rigid heddle loom, the 32-inch. This is Marshmallow, if we haven't met him before. This is Marshmallow Kitty. This is Ina's kitty. Sort of my kitty, but also Ina's kitty. He's very friendly and really wanting some love since I'm over here on the floor. And then I went ahead and I just took the paper off of the 32-inch stick, the 24-inch sticks, the 12 dent and the 10 dent reeds, so that those were all unpackaged. And now let's open this up and see. It always amuses me because usually they put in packing material. It's like the Polish newspaper. So here I have Polish advertisements, and it just totally amuses me every time I unpack something from Krosmki. I love that they are reusing the paper. It just totally amuses me that it's, Polish newspaper. And of course, there's always the fun stuff. So, I have a warranty registration. And then, of course, they always put in, some pamphlets and information about whatever they happen to have. Hey, this is not your loom. Okay, I can see this is going to be a problem right here. And then, of course, we have assembly instructions. So anyway, I just wanted to show you the loom today. We'll get into actually following the instructions in another video, but I'm really excited that it's here, and I'm going to go through with you and follow step by step without the cat how to assemble the loom and how to assemble the loom stand as well. So look for those videos, they're coming up.